Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Blessed Week Tarot and Guidance. Today I'm going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Taurus, and today's topic is how will be your next 2 months. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Taurus, you can refer to this reading, and this is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch this reading it will be applicable for the next 2 months starting from that particular date. And please watch this reading till end, because at the end I will pull out few guidance cards from Oracle, from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Let me shuffle the cards a bit. Okay, how will be, Divine, please guide me. How will be the next 2 months for Taurus? Okay, we are done. Taurus, for next 2 months we got the Empress, King of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Three of Swords, Nine of Wands, the Emperor and the Empress. I'll be telling you. There's a Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles, 6 energy. Wow. Seven of Pentacles, and this is Five of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we got Nine of Cups. This is the wish fulfillment card, and I'm getting the message that Taurus, in the next 2 months your wish is going to be a long desired wish, which you desired for a long time, since a long time, that's going to be fulfilled. Anyways, let's begin the reading. If I consider overall all the cards I'm seeing here, the Empress and the Emperor, they are considered as the power couples. And here also we got Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups. So 6 energy is there. This reading is going to be more about soulmate. Okay, let me begin. The Empress. The energy associated with this card is beauty and abundance. So might be, if you are a female, you are having such Empress like qualities, or if you are a male, might be your love partner is holding these energies. Means she is very beautiful, she is abundant, wealthy. Also sometimes this card indicates productivity, means giving birth to a child, giving birth to a new idea. Might be in the next month you will conceive a new idea. Childbirth is possible, conceiving a child is also possible for some of you in the next first month. King of Pentacles. With this card I am seeing that you are going to be financially stable, financially secured in the next first month. You will be leading a abundant, luxurious and comfortable life. You will be, your more focus will be on finance matters. You will be very strategical and methodical approach towards your goals. You will be taking decisions practically, and you will be in a kind of you believe in like a slow and steady wins the race. You are very calm from your mind, and you are in no hurry, in no rush. You are just enjoying all your comfort and luxury in the next first month. Then we got Six of Cups. This card this is the card of nostalgia. Might be you will be reminiscing your recalling your past memories with your partner, possibly a childhood friend a very close friend or a past lover will come back to your life, and you will give some gifts to them. And yeah, this is about thinking a lot about your past memories, beautiful memories. And this is a card of soulmate also. Might be somebody, means it signifies two things, like somebody from the past, means in this birth will come back to your life, or somebody who is having past life connection with you will come back to your life, means a soulmate. So it can be a close friend or a soulmate will enter into your life, will come back to your life. And three of swords, this card indicates that you are facing broken heart situation, and might be you are in separation with your partner, because this card also suggests that somebody is not with you and you are grieving on the past memories. So might be you are in a separation, and that's giving you a disheartening situation. You are feeling heartbroken, you are anxious and stressed. Then we have Nine of Wands card. This is the card which indicates that you are overworking towards something. You are overburdened, and you are completely exhausted, drained out, so that you have reached at the point now you are thinking like you are on the verge of giving up that thing. Okay, so it can be applicable, it could be your love affairs, it could be your profession also. You are overworking, and it also suggests the uneven work distribution at your workplace. So if you are getting more work, try to delegate some of your work to your colleagues. Okay, for the next month we got Emperor. For the second month, this is a person, this is a kind of the negative side of this person is dominating and prideful, but he is very practical. He is having a good leadership qualities. You will be doing very good at your career front in the next second month, and you will be taking decisions based on facts. You don't have any place for emotions in your mind. You will be in an authoritative position, in a very powerful position. Your main concern is only career and career in the second month. Six of Wands card says that you will have victory in your career if you are putting efforts on your some goal. That goal can be related to your not only career, that can be in your love relationship also. You will be victorious. 3-6 energies, 6 of Wands, 6 of Cups, and 6 of Pentacles. Okay, possibly for some of you, you will achieve your work related goals. Some of you will achieve love relationship goals. This is a card of success and victory. Next is 6 of Pentacles. This card indicates that you will do some charity. Okay, you will give money to poor people. You will give food to hungry people. No, this is more about giving money to the needy people. And also it indicates that you will be spending your hard-earned money on your loved ones. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, this guy is giving coins to these two beggars. You will be doing a lot of charity in the second month. We got 7 of Pentacles for the second month. That it seems like you have done some financial investments and you are eagerly waiting for the result, or you have invested, you have put effort you did a lot of hard work for your career goals and you are waiting for the result. This is the waiting energy you will be in the some part of the second month. And with this card, Five of Pentacles, this card is little, problematic, is little challenging. Probably by the last part of the second month, you will be struggling financially. Your financial stability will be hampered, and you will be in a kind of grieving situation, like you lost some money and you are grieving on that. You need some money, but you are not finding someone who can help you. You are so much focused on your distress. So here is advice for you that help will be available to you. Just you need to explore your surrounding to find the right help for you. Okay, so moreover, this is a very good reading for Taurus. Most of the cards are very positive for you, Taurus. These next 2 months are going to be very promising for you. And yes, now let's take some guidances from Moonology Oracle deck. What guidances for Taurus? What guidance is for Taurus? Last shuffle. Done. Take time to breathe out. Emotions are running high. Take time to breathe out. See, this card, this oracle card is complementing this tarot card. Here you are overworking, overburdened, and the guidance has come like take time to breathe out. Yes, you need to take a break here. You need to delegate some of your work to your colleagues. Emotions are running high. This oracle card is complementing this card. You are in some part of the first month, you are in a heartbreaking situation. So it will just pass. This is, temporary. Energies are temporary. This will pass. So this is all about your reading, Taurus. I hope you like the reading. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel for next reading. Till then, keep smiling, count your blessings. God bless you. Bye bye.